How to know if you're choosing a good injector and what questions to ask. Injectors and med spas are popping up all over the place, some credentialed, some not, some without experience, and obviously some with experience. With that being said, there are several questions you can ask and vet your provider, which I highly recommend everyone doing. I love when my patients ask me questions and vet me because those are the right questions to know if they're in good hands or not, especially when it comes to your face. There are complications that can happen with all of the things that we do here in a med spa. Some of the questions to ask: first and foremost, what is your education? Then you look up your state regulations. Is their degree compatible with injecting? Are they allowed to legally inject in the state? Secondly, how long have they been doing this? Even if it hasn't been that long, I would give the benefit of the doubt as long as they are working somewhere that has a good support and network system. If anything goes wrong, they have someone they can call right away. They know complications management. They're not gonna just ghost you. You know, it's not some hole in the wall med spa that some girl last year started injecting and she just disappears when you call her for an injection. I've seen that happen many times. I've actually fixed many people's botched work because initially they did go to someone who was on Groupon or was advertising for $6 Botox, for example, and that's why you get what you pay for. Another question to ask is there a medical director on site? Or if they are the medical director, is there anyone else here that you work with that you can share ideas with to make sure that if something happens that you haven't seen before, two minds are always better than one? Things to look out for, again, are super cheap products, super cheap procedures, not really sanitary. As a med spa, you are in a medical facility, so it needs to look clean, has a good sharps container that's empty and not full. They're using appropriate gloves, appropriate PPE, and making sure they go through a thorough consultation with you and not just you showing up, telling them what you want, and them doing that for you. That is not what we do as injectors. You absolutely should tell us what you want to do to your face, but overall, we are the injector and we have the expertise, so we are going to do what we think is best for your face and your anatomy, avoiding any complications. There are many other things to look out for, but if you have any questions, please shoot them below.